Hi, my name is Olivier Girardot, I'm a music composer and a sound designer, and welcome to my balcony. A few weeks ago, I made a video about how to make your own punch-in-the-face sounds. Since then, I have created a bunch of my own punch sounds and placed them into one of the most famous scenes of the film Fight Club. I think they work pretty well, check it out. First, let's have a look at my work session. As you can see, I made quite a few punch sounds since last time. Here are the original 3 punches that I created for the first video. And here are all the new ones. This one is more a slap than a punch. This one is more crunchy. These are extremely bloody. This one is so bloody it could actually be a knife stab. This one could also be a kick in the chest. Now let's put these punch sounds into context with this famous Fight Club scene.
I felt like putting a bullet between the eyes of every panda that wouldn't screw to save its species. I wanted to open the dump valves on oil tankers and smother all those French beaches I'd never see. I wanted to breathe smoke.
So what do you think? Please like this video, comment below and subscribe to my channel. And also check out my online sound effects shop, ogsoundeffects.com. And subscribe to my newsletter to get some free sound effects and some amazing discounts. Bye bye.